Imagine escaping to a secluded beach paradise. Four houses stand sentinel before the vast expanse of Baleia Beach, their terracotta facades basking in the Brazilian sun. Designed by Studio Arthur Casas, these weekend retreats are a symphony of open space and social connection. The ground floor is an entertainer's dream. Large glass panels disappear completely, dissolving the barrier between the living area and the patio. This creates a seamless flow, inviting guests to mingle and enjoy the breathtaking ocean views. Diagonal views slice through the open floor plan, further enhancing the feeling of spaciousness. To ensure a touch of privacy, the houses are cleverly misaligned. Lush vertical gardens adorn the neighboring walls, softening the close proximity and adding a touch of tropical charm. Step outside onto the expansive terrace, your own private oasis. A glistening swimming pool beckons for a refreshing dip, while a jacuzzi promises pure relaxation. Fire up the barbecue for an unforgettable evening under the star-studded sky. The adjacent living room, bathed in natural light, extends the invitation to gather and unwind. The interior design echoes the warmth of the Brazilian landscape. The architects have meticulously crafted a haven of comfort. Textured carpets made from natural fibers and rich wooden flooring on the upper levels create a sense of cozy elegance. Vintage Brazilian furniture, like the iconic mole armchair by Sergio Rodriguez, adds a touch of history and sophisticated charm. The studio's own custom-designed table and expansive bench in the living room provide a perfect focal point for conversation and relaxation. The thoughtful design extends beyond the houses themselves. The landscape is a celebration of the area's untouched beauty. Lush tropical plants, meticulously chosen, not only provide privacy but also accentuate the feeling of being enveloped in a natural paradise. Here, at Four Houses in Baleia, every detail conspires to create the ultimate weekend escape, a place where nature, art, and human connection intertwine in perfect harmony. Alright folks, that's a wrap on our tour of the stunning Four Houses in Baleia. If you're dreaming of a beach getaway that blends modern design with a connection to nature, then this is serious inspiration. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what your ideal weekend retreat would look like. For more incredible architecture videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And while you're there, check out some of my other content. You might just discover your next travel destination. Thanks for watching.